Hi there, and welcome to PFT Wales' overview video of the new Ritmo Slimline DSR. So as you can see, it's very similar to the previous version of the Ritmo Slimline, which has been a very popular machine. So it's got all the same features. This time there's been a few added extras just to make life a bit easier. So the first feature that we want to bring up is the material hopper sensor. So if anybody runs the hopper empty, or if the hopper should just run empty if you're working on your own, the machine will just stop. The way it works is that once the material is empty, then that sensor will sense the light and then the machine just stops. As soon as you put the material back in, it completes the circuit and you'll be away to go again. So the next feature, this is round the back, and it's the water bottle has been replaced with a digital meter. I believe this is the only time I've seen this on a plastering machine so far. Probably become a standard. But the water can be set exactly where you want it. Plus you've got the advantage of not having to leave water in the bottle overnight there, which sometimes can freeze in the winter months. So the switch bank on the back we're looking at. So there's this new switch added. That's to turn the material level sensor on and off. And we've got the main on and off switch. We've got the water button, same as the previous model. That's to turn the water on and off, so you can run the machine with or without material. That's to turn on the main motor. This switch here is for turning the speed up and down, and this switch here is for turning the vibrating unit on the machine. There's our main plug, and this is our compressor, built-in compressor. That little knob still remains. That's to turn the water up and down. So we got a nice little toolbox, which has been since the Ritmo L, they've been on there. So just around the front there, we got a safety feature there to keep the person from opening up that motor during use. This is our pressure gauge here. This is a great bit of kit. Just tells you how thick the material is. There's no guessing. There's our rotor and stator. There's our tap for washing out. So you can see on this one it's the same rotor and stator, the D63 soft. This is where we connect our water. That's where it goes into the mixing zone. That's where we connect our air. There's our serial number, and you'll see it's got the CE mark, which is very important these days for since we've left Brexit thing. It's you have to have the CE mark for electrical equipment imported. There's our vibrating unit inside. Here's our mixing shaft. Replace that is a wearable part. So that's the machine now with the grid back on. It was removed just to show the inside stuff. So there's a bag breaker, the little dinosaur back on the top. Back to this clip here, just want to show you, so that you have to remove the main motor plug, and then you can undo that to tilt the motor back. And that's how we get our mixing shaft out. We also can wash inside there. Wash all of this machine down. There's no reason for it to stay dirty at all. And there's a mixing shaft. So that's again a wearable part. So in summary, the PFT Ritmo Slimline DSR. It's got some great new upgrades and is available at our website, pftplasteringmachines.com, or give us a call down at PFT Wales. Thank you for watching.